everyone, I'm Dhanishke Tiarachi and an international language instructor. First and foremost, you are warmly welcome to my latest video series of IELTS General and IELTS Academic Test. In this clip, I'm going to introduce what is IELTS. Indeed, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, and this is an English proficiency exam. IELTS exam tests your writing, reading, speaking and listening skills. Obviously, millions of the people who live around the world take the IELTS every year. It is a good passport to enter the English universe, to mingle among the unfamiliar resources with a view to improving their basic language skills, to pursuing the careers, the acquiring scholarships, and migrating to another country and materializing objectives as a non-native English speakers. And also we have to consider this one. The question constantly rotates in IELTS the fresher's mind. That is why I made my mind to explain how is the IELTS worthwhile for the people who are willing to migrate to English speaking countries such as England, America, Australia, Canada, New Zealand and other English speaking countries with a view to getting the white collar jobs as well as doing further studies. All in all, a lot of IELTS applicants who may have some curious questions about why do we need to take the IELTS exam. In fact, there are some reasonable reasons that we have to consider. The one reason is applicants that would like to gain a world valid certificate according to their English proficiency skills such as writing, speaking, reading and listening also. The other thing is the major to consider that IELTS exam is applicants in both ways, in an academic and a general structures. And next matter is what is called, do I need to pass the IELTS exam? All in all, passing the mark is the 5.5 the band is called. Nevertheless, I'm in a position to introduce the band scale of IELTS exam. Students are given a score from 1 to 9 for every part of the test. Your average score produces an overall band score. Then you are graded on whole or half the points. Suppose in case you score overall 9 band, that is the maximum mark of the IELTS exam. Your skill is expert user. If you explain it further, it is a fully operational command of the language, appropriate, accurate and fluent with a complete understanding. If you score the 8 band, it is considered as a very good user. Overview of the skill is the fully operational command of the language with only occasional inaccuracies. That's what I tell you actually. And the misunderstandings that may occur in the unfamiliar situations also handles the complex, the detailed argumentation well. And also the 7 band scorer is a good user. Overview of it is the operation of the command of the language, though with the occasional understanding and misunderstandings in some of the situations that generally handles the complex language well and understands the detailed reasoning. Band score 6 indicates the skill of the competent user, and the overview is the generally effective the command of the language despite some inaccuracies and misunderstandings. Can use and understand fairly complex the language, particularly in the familiar situation. And also we have to think about this one. The skill of the band score 5 is a modest user, the pass the command of the language, coping with the overall meaning in the most situation. Though is the likely to make the mistakes, should be able to handle the basic communication in on the field. IELTS exam is so important because it is accepted by institutes of the higher education and immigration authorities in UK, Canada, New Zealand and Australia. So most of the universities do not issue a final offer without a valid IELTS score. That is the major points that we have to consider. Due to the fact that many educational institutes, the companies, immigration authorities, and the professional bodies, the worldwide accept the IELTS. And also actually there are the two versions of the IELTS exam, as a general and academic. If you are going to apply for a university, you will have to take the academic IELTS test. And once you are willing to apply for a citizen application or to study at a below degree level, general IELTS test is the more applicable actually. Nevertheless, the format of the both academic and the general IELTS is the same. Basically, general IELTS test is somewhat easier than the academic IELTS. You can have a crystal clear understanding of my description of IELTS in this clip and my upcoming the video clips, that you are able to study IELTS distinctly. So I hope of releasing the many videos regarding academic and the general IELTS, writing, reading, speaking, and listening also. Eventually, to tell you so vividly, I am cocksure that everyone can get through the IELTS exam with the best band score with the help of my audio and the video series. And you can definitely optimize from the future IELTS test targeting programs which are available in my video and audio clips. Now I am going to bring the curtain down. Actually, my dear, thank you very much for watching my videos, and please be kind enough to subscribe my channel Dhanushka Hettiarachi FCML, and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos tomorrow. Join us again.